Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for a new story. So, without delay, let's begin. Quickly close your eyes so that you can see this whole story as a movie playing in front of your eyes. So, chalo, let's begin. In a small but busy town, there lived a hardworking man named Raghav. He owned a restaurant called City Spice Corner. When he started it, the restaurant was running fairly well. People from officers, students, and travelers came to eat his food. But with time, more and more restaurants began opening around him. Shiny places with fancy decorations, new cuisines, and attractive discounts. Slowly, his customers began disappearing. Every day, he started at empty tables and once used to be full. The sound of laughter and spoons hitting plates were replaced by silence and worry. It was heartbreaking. One night, tired and disappointed, Ragha sat alone on a chair after closing the restaurant. He looked at the accounts book, read numbers everywhere. He whispered sadly, "Maybe it's time to shut this hotel. I can't handle more losses." Just then, his wise and gentle grandmother, Aji, came and sat beside him. She placed her wrinkled hand on his shoulder and said with love, "My child, don't give up so soon. Hard times never last forever. Only strong people do." Raghav sighed deeply. "But what can I do, Aji? Everyone offers something new and different. I have nothing special to give." Aji smiled, her eyes shining with experience, and she started saying, "There is something special you have forgotten, our roots. Today, people are tired of chemicals, artificial flavors, junk food, and modern stress. Their hearts want purity, their bodies want healing, they want something healthy and connected to nature." Raghav looked confused. "What do you mean?" Aji replied, "Start serving ancient traditional food. Use millets, jaggery, homemade ghee, clay pot cooking, old recipes from our ancestors' forgotten dishes like ragi dosa, bajra khichdi, juwar bhakri, khichdi with ghee, and herbal kadha. Serve food on banana leaves or earthen plates. Let waiters wear traditional dhoti kurta and saris. Decorate the restaurant like a village courtyard. And no one else offers such an experience." Raghav's eyes brightened for the first time in many days. "Aji, this is brilliant. It will be something completely unique. Not just food, but the whole experience." The next morning, Raghav started working on the idea. He changed the name of this restaurant to Annapurna Heritage Kitchen, back to the roots. The walls were decorated with artworks of farming, bullock carts, village sceneries, clay lamps replaced electric bulbs, folk music played softly in the background. Aji taught him secret ancient recipes that she had learned from her mother and the grandmother. They cooked everything fresh with seasonal vegetables and natural ingredients. Gas stove was replaced with mud stove for a smoky flavor. When the restaurant reopened, people were surprised. It looked like a beautiful village inside the city. The aroma of fresh hot bajra roti and ghee traveled far into the streets. One article was published in local newspaper describing it as a beautiful return to Indian roots, a place where food is served with love and purity. Within a week, queues forms outside the restaurant. Elderly people came from the taste of their childhood. Youngsters came to try something new and healthy. Office workers preferred it for pure and homely meals. Many said, "This food feels like home." The empty tables were now full. The silent hall now echoed with happiness and laughter. Months by months, the restaurant profits began increasing. Finally, Raghav needed to hire more staff because the crowd grew too big. At the end of the year, his restaurant became the number one best traditional dining place in the city. A news reporter asking him during an interview, "What is the secret of your success?" Raghav smiled and looked at Aji standing proudly behind him. The secret is simple: never forget your roots. Modern ideas combined with ancient wisdom creates miracles. Aji wiped her tears of joy. She whispered, "I'm proud of you, my son." And the whole town celebrated a beautiful truth. Sometimes progress means going backwards to rediscover what we have lost. And this is actually the truth. We should never forget our roots. And this is a beautiful story, one of my favorite. Hopefully, you also must have enjoyed. And what is the moral of the story? We learn that never give up when life becomes difficult. Instead, think differently. And yes, one more thing we learn, that is respecting traditions and roots can open door to success. Real innovation is when old wisdom meets new creativity. So we can never ignore or underestimate our ancient ideas. We need to need to understand its strength. And with wisdom, we need to combine it with today's lifestyle. So this is a small but beautiful story. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please share the stories with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel, and we'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings. Good night.